I'm gonna upload this video on October 11th. I'm a little bit behind, but I wanted to get this video up in time for you guys to still shop the Prime Day deals if you wanted to. I was gonna do a whole haul, but I decided to switch to doing my top 10 favorite Prime Day deals. So only 3 of these items are new to me. Everything else are just staples that I use all the time that happen to be on sale right now. So the first thing I want to talk about is, I think I've mentioned platform shoes in almost every video that I've uploaded lately. So I wanted to get a pair of platform sneakers. When I saw that these platform sneakers were on sale for $50, I was like, oh, add to cart immediately. So these are the Adidas Niza? I don't know how you say that. It's Nizza platform sneakers. I like to wear my white Air Force Ones. I like to wear my Dunks that are gray, and I don't really have any like black sneakers, so I thought these would be so cute peeking out of like baggy 90s jeans, which leads me to my next item. These are my new favorite jeans. I ordered them in 3 colors. I think I'm gonna order more. These are the Levi's Low Pro Mid-Rise Relaxed straight leg jeans, and I like that these aren't high-waisted jeans. Sometimes high-waisted jeans kind of make me spill over at the top. These kind of stop right at my midsection, where like right on the spot where my stomach starts to protrude. That almost hides the spot on my stomach that I don't like as much. These ones are just a nice light wash shade, and I think these are on sale for $35. So yeah, they usually retail for $80 and they're on sale for $34 right now. So I picked up 3 pairs. The pair that I really wanted to show you guys didn't come in yet. I'm really loving the look of dark wash jeans for the fall right now. When they do come in, I will be sure to show them in a video, but for now, get these while you can, while they're on sale. They're so cute. I tried them on, and these are 1 or 2 sizes too big for me. I probably will do 1 size down because I like the look of really baggy jeans, but if you want them to be a little bit more snug, yeah, I'm usually a size 4 at H&M, and I'm gonna need to order a 26 or 25 in these. Also, I'm 5'5", and these hit at like the perfect length for me too, but just imagine these 2 together are gonna be so cute. I also did set up my Amazon storefront. I've had it set up, and I don't think I ever linked it, and then I'm a very list-oriented person, and I just had so much fun making lists that I don't know if I overdid it. Hopefully my Amazon storefront isn't like overwhelming. If you want to look at it, I will have that in the description box. My 3rd favorite item that I think you should pick up during the sale is a cozy sweater or sweatshirt. I couldn't narrow it down to one, so I mean, if I had to narrow it down to one, I would say the sweater I'm wearing right now. The black one's new to me, but last year I wore this sweater for Christmas. I wore it on my birthday. It's just one of those sweaters that makes you feel so like comfy. And if you work in an office or somewhere where you can wear something like this to work, you know those days where you just like, you don't want to get out of bed and you don't want to go to work, this still feels like almost like a blanket on you. It feels like that Barefoot Dreams material. So yeah, it just makes you feel cozy even when you're somewhere you don't really want to be. And then I've worn this in a few of my fall vlogs, and I actually had to grab it from my dirty clothes. So I picked this up around the time that Skims came out with their crew necks, and when I saw how expensive they were, I was like, oh, I'm gonna look on Amazon and see if I can find something similar. And this was the closest thing to the Skims crew neck that I could find, and I feel like it's a pretty good dupe. So it's hard to find dupes for like t-shirts and pants, but when it comes to like sweatshirts, I feel like the material of cotton is pretty easy to dupe. So yeah, I love this, and I get mine in a medium. So I paid full price for the Lululemon half zip, but they have the dupe of this on sale for $23. So I'm gonna look at some other shades and pick one up, but my favorite color is the gray one because I just get the most use out of this light gray. Because I love the look of a white sweatshirt, but a white sweatshirt gets dirty way too easily, that I feel like this heather gray kind of gives the same look without getting as dirty. So I love having a light gray half zip. Last fashion item I have is just any Amazon jewelry. I have a list on my storefront of all the jewelry that I love, but some that I recently picked up, I don't have a lot of bracelets, so I wanted to pick up this little bracelet combo. It comes with like a little kit to get this on with like a mini screwdriver. I feel like this bracelet looks so expensive, and then also comes with like a Cartier inspired bracelet as well. Amazon is the best place to get your little dainty earrings. Once it gets colder out, I like bringing out some more silver, so I picked up a bunch of these little silver hoops. I feel like the angel number jewelry is just so good for layering your necklaces. So I picked up a silver and a gold 222 necklace, and it has like, I'll put a photo on the screen because I don't think this is gonna focus, but it just has little diamonds on it. I always see like the solid plated angel numbers, and I feel like the diamonds kind of switch it up a bit. And I also wanted to get a super simple, just little cross necklace. Oh, and the chain on this? The chain on this is pretty thick, so it looks like expensive. This will just be easy to wear every day when I'm wearing casual outfits, and it goes with everything. And then I also got, oh my god, I love this. I also got, this one also has a really nice chain on it, but I got a little necklace that says O for my son's name, but you don't need a man or a baby, you can just get your own initial. Oh my god. Okay, after today, I'm putting this on, and I think I'm gonna wear this every day until I get sick of it. This is so simple and cute and just different from anything I have. Oh, I love this. Okay. That makes me so happy. When I first moved down here to Arizona, one of the first things I purchased for my apartment was this little utensil set. And I like that it's not black or like, I don't know. I just like that it's neutral, so it blends in with everything on my counter. This is just one of those items I've used every single day since I have purchased it. So if you don't have neutral utensils, I really recommend that you make the switch. I feel like this just makes a really nice gift, especially if you have a friend who just moved or something like that. I always have my little whiteboards in the background of my vlogs, and I've gotten a few questions about them. Like I said, I love lists, so every morning I like writing out my list on this board that I keep on my fridge. And this is on sale for $10 right now. If you're struggling with keeping yourself organized, this has helped me so much. Every morning I always go to my fridge, so it's nice that I can just write my list out as I'm making my coffee, and it just makes my day so much more organized. I also have an acrylic calendar that I keep on my fridge, and they just look so like clean and simple and sleek. And just like I said, having everything on your fridge is so convenient because you go to your fridge every morning. You're not gonna forget to look at it and be reminded of what you need to get done. If you've been thinking about getting a Kindle, the best time to pick them up is during the Prime days. I get the Kindle Paperwhite, I think that's what it's called. I just like how small and sleek this one is. And I believe that it's usually like $130 or $40, and it's on sale for $90. At first I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the idea of holding a Kindle instead of like holding a book in my hands, but it's so convenient. If you have a toddler or a baby, being able to just click instead of turn the page is so much easier. My son, every time I try to read, he just grabs the page. It's just so cozy. You can turn off your lights and just read in bed, especially if you sleep next to somebody and they fall asleep before you. You don't need to have the lights on or keep them up with a light because you have the screen to look at. And the way the screen is, it's not like your phone. It almost looks like paper. It's hard to narrow it down, but I have 4 beauty products that I want to go over. Nothing will get your makeup off like this combination. It's like the most gentle micellar water you can use to take your makeup off. It feels like you're applying water, but it melts all your makeup away. I don't know how they do it. Probably gone through almost like, I've had to have gone through at least 5+ bottles of this. I've been using Bioderma since I was like 20, and this is just like a super gentle makeup remover. It feels like water and it just melts all your makeup off. These both work so well, you could use them on their own, but I do like to double cleanse, so I use both. If you had to pick one, the Elemis Cleansing Balm is so good. It's a super moisturizing balm that will just melt all of your makeup off. So yeah, these are my favorite makeup removers. I think I'm gonna pick up the unscented balm during the sale. And then when I'm done cleansing, I go in with the Claire Supple Preparation Facial Toner. They have a scented and an unscented one, and I believe the clear one is the unscented. I've gone through 2 of those, and this is my 3rd bottle. I think it's around $70 for the Tatcha Essence Toner. And when I found this, I actually like this more, and it's only $14 during the sale. Prepping your skin before makeup is so important. If you feel like you want to take your like face makeup to the next level, I really recommend that you try this out, especially while it's $14. And then my last beauty product is the Instant Free Pore Clearing Clay Mask. It's just like a classic clay mask. It kind of gives me like 90s movies vibes, you know? I always get this during the Sephora sale, but I saw that they had it on Prime Day deals, and I was like, oh, This is my favorite mask for just clearing out my pores and making my skin feel so clean. I try to use this once a week to really just like clear out my pores and get all the toxins out. This is one of those masks I think would work for all skin types. This is new to me. I felt like it was too soon to include it, but it's on such a good deal. I do want to mention it real quick. So this is a hair wax stick, and I used it today to slick my hair back. I usually use edge control, but this is so much easier to just like, and it doesn't make your hair look greasy. Like, it gives it a gloss, and it gives it almost like a matte gloss so it doesn't look greasy. I used it also on like this. It's just so easy to use. So this is usually $15 and it's on sale for $7, so I did want to just mention that too. I'm so excited for Halloween. I just want to show you one part of my costume. I love this. Ever since I read The Fourth Wing, I've been so obsessed with dragons. So let me know what you think my costume is. I just feel like having this will make taking photos so much easier because I never know what to do with my hands. But how cute is he? He's my little dragon. You're literally... I wish I could own a dragon. So cute. So that's everything for my Prime Day favorites. Let me know what you're picking up and if there's anything that you think I should grab before the sale's over. And I will see you guys in the next video.